A Trenchtown woman who says she's marked for death is speaking out this evening. This after residents accused her son of playing a part in the killing of a woman. Now, the woman is stoutly denied her son's involvement and is insisting that he's innocent. Kirk Wright has this TVJ News exclusive.
Leave me alone, Mama talk. Me not afraid to go on nothing.
Claudia Mitchell, who is known in Trenchtown, St. Andrew as Natalie, has asked us not to hide her identity because she wants Jamaica to know she has been singled out to be killed. Natalie says the threats came Tuesday immediately after the killing of Lafayne Bent at her shop on 4th Street in the community. She says one of her sons has been accused of killing Miss Bent.
Last night the amount of police and soldier there. Me take my son and lock him in my Me lock him in my house, in my daughter's house, for sleep with him baby mother. I lock them in and said don't come out. Cause be a police step on the ground. What kind of access them could have get for kill? Laugh.
Natalie has admitted that she has sons involved in the violence, but refuted claims that one of her sons had anything to do with the killing of any woman.
Me no about none of my people them. Me go up on social media. Me tell them say lucky and China man bad. Them a bad man. Lucky a bad man. Lucky have him squad. But lucky not kill no woman. Take it to the street to the man them. Yeah, yes, take it to the street to the man them. Lucky me back him on that. Him step in the street to the man them. No woman. Cause I have him mother. Him have holy sister.
Since the 16-year-old was killed on Sunday, threats have been swirling in the community that reprisals are coming and that women are the targets. That threat has left many women in Trenchtown worried and has resulted in some relocating. Natalie says she's one of those women who has been marked for death because people have accused her son of murder.
The boy from jungle say him gonna kill me. Them say them gonna kill me and them gonna kill me a market. And them gonna burn down my shop. I'm not hide from them. Them and a father God.
She says after Lafayne Bent was killed on Tuesday, the police called in her son and she took him to the Denhamtown police station in West Kingston. He remains in police custody. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.